Hey, what's up everybody? This is CJ from the Crypt at getthecrypt.com, and today we're going to be talking about Uber and the risks and struggles that they have realized may harm the company. So, I guess if you're watching this video right now, then you already know what Uber is. And since its inception just 10 years ago in 2009, it has become one of the biggest startups to have ever existed. And for a while, it looked like it would never slow down. After sexual misconduct scandals, an ousted CEO, and even growing competition from its good guy rival Lyft, Uber's private market valuation continued to grow exponentially. But it looks like it is now the eve of a long-awaited Christmas for a venture capital investor, a big, beautiful IPO. But this time it's a little different. They've just got a sneak peek of their worst nightmare, an IPO fail. Just weeks ago, Lyft beat Uber to the stock market and had a successful first day of trading, valuing them at about $25 billion. But everything changed when the investors attacked. And as of recording this video, Lyft's market cap sits at a 36% discount at $16 billion. So, what can Uber expect? Well, according to reports, they're planning on valuing themselves at far north of $100 billion, 10x of Lyft. And if this was a perfect world, everything should work out for them. But even the mighty Goliath has risks and weaknesses that they want you to know about before you invest. This is going to sound crazy, but one of these risks are the fact that they fear that they may never make any money. Yes, you heard me correctly. Uber, the $100 billion company with $11 billion in yearly revenue, fears that they may never achieve profitability. This stems from a number of factors, such as the fact that as of December 2018, they have incurred a deficit of $7.8 billion, and they expect that number to continue to rise as they attempt to maintain their crazy growth. Another risk factor that the company has recognized is the fact that if their drivers were classified as employees rather than independent contractors, they're screwed. Over the years, there has been a number of cases and public outcry to the fact that Uber has taken too much control of their drivers and that they are nearing the territory of an employee rather than a contractor. If one day the tides start to shift in favor of these parties in a court case and lead to Uber reclassifying their drivers, all 3 million of them, the sheer amount of features and benefits such as insurance, minimum wage, etc. will kill the company. Another one of these major risk factors that I feel have not gotten enough airtime is the fact that 24% of their gross bookings come from just 5 metro city areas: Los Angeles, New York City, San Francisco, London, and Sao Paulo, Brazil. And an even bigger risk is the fact that 15% of their gross bookings were from trips that started or were completed at an airport. So what do these numbers tell us? It says to us that the company is really in the palms of just a handful of cities and regulatory bodies. Get enough former cab drivers in office in these cities and poof, Uber really starts to struggle. But with all these risks, does this really make Uber a doomed company? Well, not really. Uber has a couple things going for it. One of these things is the sheer amount of drivers that it has on its platform. With 3 million drivers and millions of more riders, as much as people may say they hate Uber, it would be really hard to destroy the company without a lot of kicking and screaming. There are people who make a nice wage or extra income from this company. And also, Uber has invested a lot in different areas, such as autonomous vehicles, carrier services that with their scale can put them in a great competitive advantage. We can already see that with Uber Eats. So, will Uber see the same astronomical position as Amazon did over 20 years? Well, I guess we have to just wait and see. Hey, it's CJ again, and I just wanted to take 10 seconds to let you know that if you like what you're watching, then you need to join our awesome newsletter. We use artificial intelligence to make the perfect business and finance newsletter, and it's trusted by employees at Google, Vanguard, WorldPay, so you know it's good. It's completely free forever, and it's as simple as this. Click this, or go to getthecrypt.com, enter your email here, and boom, you're done. So go ahead and try that right now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.